To the Coastal Craft Film channel for another video unboxing. So today we are going to be unboxing Abeka curriculum for K4. So we enrolled my son for K4 unaccredited, and I had to get some extra consumables for my other toddler. So this is what it came with for the K4. So let's start unboxing this up. Okay, so they have their own Bible, K4 Bible, so that's why there's like a it's a K4. So these are for like ages like 3 to 5 or 3 to 4. Okay, so first off, it comes with some individual number cards and a flashcard. And then we have picture cards, which is nice. There's some verses in here that they can learn. There's some books to color, read and color. So the little book one until there's, let me see how many books are here. 2, 4, around 12, and there's probably like 10 on the other one. And then there's a Bible activity book. Let me show this what's inside. Which is very colorful for like coloring, just basic stuff for toddlers. Readiness skills book. So it has you could color shapes, which is really nice. And then we have a writing tablet manuscript. So there. Then we have manuscript writing with phonics K4. And then we have K4 phonics and numbers, which is nice. There's like some, if they finish something, you can reward them with these pictures, like voice worker, good job. So this will help with the phonics. And okay, so I bought 2 of those, as you can see. And then we have homeschool video manual. So this is the most important part because we're doing the videos. So as you can see, there's some things in the back that you can use to teach your kids. Oh, there's also samples on how to grade your kids. So this is the manual. And then we got some, wow, it comes with flashcards as well, which is really nice. Although I do have these flashcards, but it's nice that it comes with that. And also we have a project, arts and projects K4. As you can see, we do some projects, which is really nice. So that's for our K4. And this extra 2 that I got. And we got this tippy and alright, so that's our third unboxing. So far we got the 4th, the 2nd, and the K4. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.